Welcome back to another video on the 240. Today we're going to be getting this thing a little closer to painting, so we're going to be scuffing a couple little areas that are rusted and removing a couple stuff. We're going to be getting rid of all these rust spots on the door jambs, and then we're also going to be getting rid of all the Millennium Jade in the front wheel jambs. And we're also going to be trying to tackle on this rat's nest of a harness that I don't even know what it does or what it's for, because it freaking wraps all the way up over there into there. This video is just going to be little random bits and ends here and there on the 240 just to get a little closer to paint. Not exciting stuff, I know. Exciting stuff will be coming soon, I promise. But let's get to work. Had a little side quest pop up while I went to go pressure wash these. I also went ahead and picked up one of the wheels from my mom's house. While I went to go pressure wash these guys, I ran into the homie Brian. Huge shout out. Hooked it up with a bunch of 240 stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything, I guess, and show you guys what's all here. I did get a dual cam block from Brian, as well as the head. So I do have a good dual cam block and head to start with. Got the cams as well. So this is the dual cam that's going to be getting all the good turbo stuff. Since it's known good, he just took it apart to install all the parts that I bought from him. But let's go ahead and dig into all this. I unfortunately only have one of these. It is a 1810 plus 45, I believe. So if anybody has a single 1810 plus 45 and the chrome, let me know. Hit me up, please. But I'm going to be test fitting this on this guy probably today as well. Hella appreciated to Brian. Seriously, thank you for all this stuff. I'm going to be that much closer to getting the 240 done, which is going to be cool. Holy shit. No way. I think we got the engine harness. Major. The old pistons appear to be in pretty good shape, so I have no doubt the motor's pretty healthy. But that's pretty much it from this box. There's just a bunch of little brackets. Stuff you guys probably don't care about. Let's dig into the other box. Let's see what's in here. Got a box. I'm assuming it's probably this, the headset. Don't be the head gasket. Don't be the head gasket. Damn. So, I think we're gonna get a new head gasket. This one's all mangled, all fucked up. GG. Oh, we got a new head gasket. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So this was everything that I got. Super appreciated. And this is all dual cam stuff. Good news, we got a lot of single cam stuff, so I think I can go ahead and actually rebuild the single cam. We got a couple head gasket sets, honestly. Got like 3 of them. But we got a bunch of injectors, a bunch of random bits and bobs here and there. So I actually think I'm actually going to be tearing into this motor a lot sooner than I thought. I actually didn't even think I was going to touch this motor or rebuild it. I think I honestly was just going to go ahead and go with all the turbo stuff and just build a dual cam. But I think I'm going to go ahead and rebuild this for the fun and the learning experience that it's going to provide me. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly clean up my mess before I continue on with this video anymore. I really don't know what I'm going to do in this video anymore. I was going to work on that thing, more painting and stuff, but I'm a little over painting, so I might just go ahead and start doing all the single cam stuff. I guess I never really give you guys a good look at the block, but here's the block. Let's get rid of some of this tape. Let's see how she's looking in here. Dude, it looks phenomenal. Like, again, like I don't think this motor had any issues whatsoever. So I'm just finishing what he started essentially, but feels good in here. It looks good. There's no real scoring or anything weird. I'll look at those last two cylinders off camera, but super excited. So I've got a little section cleared out on the table so I can go ahead and start tearing this thing apart. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to the chassis itself. Pretty lazy today. I did a lot of cleaning, but I am gonna test fit this wheel real quick in the back, see what that looks like, get a little clickbait action. But I got those two tubs over here just stacked full of shit, but now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle on this rat's nest of a harness. I did already go ahead and pull one of these electrical tape back and found that it is soldered, so I think I am going to go ahead and just snip it right here and rip this thing out. Oh man. This is disgusting. Might have to fuck around. So we got the rat's nest out, thank God. Hopefully that doesn't cause any issues. Got this somewhat scuffed, no more rust. Did the other side off camera to save you guys some time. Yeah, hopefully that doesn't cause any issues with the electrical stuff. I think we'll be good. Now that I got this area table all cleared up, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing this single cam apart, but I think I'll go ahead and do that another day when I come back. I am pretty tapped for the day, low-key. It is getting late. I've been here somewhat all day, so I think next time I pull up to the shop, I am gonna go ahead and tear this single cam apart. It will be in this video, so I will see you guys another day. I don't really know what to expect from this thing, to be honest. I think it's gonna look pretty crusty inside, but let's find out. Just looks like it hasn't ran for a while. Yeah, it does not look bad. Then again, I guess we'll have to get a better look once we get it all fully taken apart, because Haha, the thing's so brittle. Well. Oh my god. Holy fuck. So I don't know if this thing like blew up or if the timing guides gave out on this thing, because there's no tensioning on the timing guides. And that's plastic. Another big chunk right here. Oh my god. You guys saw all that in the freaking wall down. Holy. Let LA not in. Let LA.
Just probably the first person to crack that bitch open.
Honestly, I wouldn't doubt it.
I wouldn't either, bro. That 240 didn't really live a good life. Seeing the condition that fucking... I guess that's not a lie. I've seen way worse. I saw it when Caleb bought it. Some fuck around it.
Yeah, I can tell. Oh, mine's too big. Oh, that makes sense why you compress it. So, got the head off, finally. Doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get the pistons out now. We're almost done. Here's the block, fully stripped. Really excited, really happy. I went ahead and did this because this is essentially kind of where the dual cam is at as well. So this will kind of help me put the dual cam back together as well. It'll give me somewhat of a reference. But I'm low-key gonna go get some food real quick. I'm kind of beat. I've been working all day and it's like 4 o'clock. I haven't ate today. But this might wrap up the video. I don't know yet. We'll see when I get back. So actually, I think that's actually gonna wrap it up for this video. We actually did quite a lot. Got the motor single cam fully taken apart. Yeah, I think in the next one I'll probably be assembling it, maybe. um, I think I do need to still order a couple parts, but other than that, anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.